Good evening. Thank you for joining us. There are shocking new developments tonight in the capital region's sewage battle. New samples have found soaring levels of fecal matter in the water around Greater Victoria. Some samples are 1,200% above acceptable limits. And as Tess Van Straten reports, scientists say it could take generations to repair the damage.
Almost 130 million liters of raw sewage is pumped into the waters off Victoria every day.
It makes a metallic green sheen.
So that's E. coli.
That's E. coli.
But now there's disturbing evidence of just how much damage we're doing.
So we've contaminated a vast area of the Victoria waterfront.
Divers took samples at 7 locations off the coast at depths of up to 20 meters. They were then tested at a University of Victoria lab, and the results were shocking.
Every sample showed coliform counts well above the Health Canada, in fact the World Health Organization standards.
Even more disturbing, some samples came from outside the 60 square kilometer federal shellfish closure zone.
This sample came from a scallop taken from William Head.
At William Head, more than 10 kilometers from the nearest outfall, and Trial Island just off Oak Bay, the samples were a staggering 1,200% above acceptable limits.
We need to treat our sewage. Fecal coliforms should not be found in the environment, period. Because if they are, the area is contaminated with fecal material. Would you like to dump that stuff in your backyard? Because basically that's what you've done.
Politicians say it proves we're doing the right thing.
I was shocked.
Pushing ahead with plans for a controversial $783 million treatment plant.
You may not have read all the reports we have, but it is showing it is far past time to treat. These type of results are happening more and more as we test.
But despite the mounting evidence, critics aren't convinced.
I accept that they found the indicator bacteria, but it's the source that they attribute it to which is completely erroneous. They're mistaken in attributing it to the sewage, particularly when it's 10.5 kilometers away at William Head.
In these murky waters, one thing is clear: this is a debate we can't flush away.